Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantin Knows Tech. I like to revisit my latest video on iOS 18 and make one correction as well as add some additional information that was just released. WWDC is just a few days away now, and with all the rumors circulating, it's an exciting time of the year. In my last video, I mentioned that the primary visual changes will be on the home screen, allowing users to move applications and widgets anywhere on the screen and not being locked into a rigid grid. New reports state that we will see a couple visual changes as well. The primary area of those changes will be in the settings application. Honestly, I hope that these changes offer some type of increased functionality or efficiency, because I never think it's a good idea to change things just to change things. One thing that I do hope for regarding the settings is making it, honestly, similar to Android. I don't love having to go out of the camera app and into the settings app if I want to change the frame rate or whatever else I'm doing in the camera. It would be great if that was integrated, so you can just make that change directly from the camera. A new leak states that a core change will come to the control center as well. Allegedly, the control center will be fully customizable, and core functions, which is the flashlight, wallet, whatever application you may use, will follow a drag and drop system, similar to the home screen. Is this even necessary? Who really knows? But if you found yourself watching this video, I bet you and myself are going to be the ones that will be experimenting and dragging and dropping and moving things around quite a bit. The vast majority of people, unfortunately, will probably never even learn that that is a function that they can use. I'll admit though, I'm happy to be in the minority that likes to play around with the tech. Something that I missed altogether are the improvements in Apple Maps. Supposedly, we'll be able to do a much better job of planning routes with the new iOS 18 Apple Maps, giving the user a lot better control of future trip planning. Last but not least, there's a new rumor stating that the use of generative AI will be completely voluntary and will follow an opt-in, opt-out scenario. And to add to that, apparently, there are rumors that the actual partnership between Apple and OpenAI is supposedly a short-term partnership and will eventually be phased out. And honestly, I think this is kind of smart. Apple is supposedly late to the game when it comes to generative AI and large language models. Who knows what's happening behind the scenes? I'm excited to find out. So, until they have their own product ready to release in its traditional Apple fashion and it's good to go, using a partner is a good idea. Regardless of what comes out, if it's with a partner or not, there's definitely going to be a few bugs in the beginning. And as time progresses, those will be improved, and that's with OpenAI as a partner or Apple exclusive. It will be a great tool. This was just a quick video to share a couple extra rumors as we wait for the long-awaited iOS 18. If you've learned anything in this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe. This is Konstantinos with Konstantin Knows Tech. Thanks for tuning in.